Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Macy's and Allure unboxings. I do these together because these are both $15 a month. And let's get right into the Macy's. Macy's always does come with a little sheet, and then inside it tells you what the prices are of each item, as well as it has a $5 coupon, which I have already used. You can use it once online and once in store because there are different codes, but you have to use it online first. So that is why it is not in there. And then inside, they usually package it in a little pink paper like this. And this is this month's bag. It is Friday. And then it's a very plasticky, so you could take it somewhere where there is water. It did come with a little extra sheet of paper in there too, which is a little weird. All right, so let's unroll this and see what is in the Macy's bag. I know I am late because it's probably going to be July when this actually goes up because it's the very end of June. Alrighty. All right, the first thing in here is a fragrance. It looks like something leaked in here because I have like weird colors on this. Can you see the staining? Yeah, right there. I wonder what leaked. Maybe it could have been the perfume. Oh no. This is the Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. I have seen this fragrance in store and I really like the scent of it. I do collect the Marc Jacobs fragrances, so this was already kind of like on my wish list before I even smelled it, and I think it smells fantastic. I'm going to actually spray a little on right now. You never rub, I always tap. Smells so good. I really like it. It has a citrusy scent to it, which is part of the reason why I do like it. The next thing I see in here is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Cucumber Gel Mask. And this is an okay mask. I know a lot of people really like it. I don't feel like it does anything for me personally, so I don't usually gravitate towards it. I have had one that I have been working through for a very, very long time. It is still good, so I'm still working through it. But I have started passing on the smaller ones I have of these. This one, it has some gunk on it too. I wonder if this is what leaked. It has a hole in it. That is what the problem is. All right. So that's the problem. This retails for $52. It looks like it is a 5-ounce size. The perfume that I just looked at, the 3.4 ounce is $102. That's a lot of money. All right, next in here is from Kula. It is a classic sunscreen in the scent Fresh Mango. Almost, well, I'm not going to open it because I am working through other sunscreens at the moment too. So this retails for $32. It looks like it is supposed to be a face moisturizer, but I usually end up using sunscreen wherever I can, just to go through it because I don't go outside very much. And I usually don't have a lot of exposed skin either. All right, next is from Smashbox. This is the Super Fanned Out Mascara. I knew that they were coming out with this, so this actually isn't bad. This is a $19 mascara, which is not terrible for high-end mascaras. Next is from Sunday Riley. This is the CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. I do like this. I have used up a full-size bottle of it. It is expensive though. It is $85 for a full size. I don't know if it's the best vitamin C serum out there that there is. It feels like more of a cream because it does have a white, it's a white consistency, so it feels like more like a lotion when you put it on. But I do like it. Then the next thing in here is from Vita Liberata. It is a Body Blur HD Skin Finish in medium dark. So it looks like it's like a tanner. So yeah, it looks like it is a self tanner. And as you can tell by how pale I am, I don't really do self-tanner, but I have someone that does, so I will be passing that on to her because I know she will enjoy it. So let's move on to Allure and see what the Allure box this month. All right, so Allure this month is with Kat Von D, so the box is very black, which is very in line with Kat Von D. It does not have its cute little saying in the front either. Then it says we have exclusive promo code in here as well. This is what this month's little magazine looks like, and it tells you all of the prices. We do have gold tissue paper this month as well, which is kind of nice. The first thing in here is huge, so I'm going to take it out first. This is from Ulla Henriksen. It is the Transforming Walnut Scrub, which I have used. They have a 3-part mask system that it is part of, so I usually use it with that, but I do know that they sell them separately. It is quite an exfoliant, like it is going to be very rough, and before it was in a jar, so this is kind of nice that it's in a tube instead, so you can squeeze it out instead of scooping it out. It retails for $28, and that is a full size. The next thing in here is the Everlasting Lip Liner, which looks to be a full size. This is in the shade Lolita, which is a very iconic color from her. I've never tried it though, because I don't have any, well, I don't have very much from Kat Von D at all. It looks like a very neutral shade, so that is what it looks like swatched, kind of a nudie pinky color. Then the next thing in here is a Studded Kiss lipstick. This is a small one. Oh, the lip liner retails for $18. I forgot to say that. This is in the shade Double Dare, which also looks like a very nice neutral color, which is kind of nice because I personally, as much as I love my lip colors like this, I'd rather have something like this in subscription boxes so that I actually we get some use out of it, because I feel like, I don't know why it keeps doing that, but that's a really pretty color. I really like that actually. Excited about that. Those for the full size retails for $19. Then we have the Tattoo Liner. I just realized I didn't tell you all of the Macy's prices, so I'll have to do that. And the Tattoo Liner retails for $20. This is just a black eyeliner. I know lots of people swear by it. It is like their favorite eyeliner. I don't use eyeliner, so I will pass that along because, yeah, that's just not really my thing. And I have some already. Then the last thing in here is a travel mirror. It says it retails for $18, which is a lot for a little mirror. And it looks like a letter, a seal for a letter, and then the back side of it is the mirror, so I'm not going to blind you with it. But that's kind of cool, like when you put wax and then put the seal. So let's look at Macy's as compared to Allure. So Macy's, the ones I forgot to tell you the prices on, the Vita Liberata retails for $45. I think that's the only one I didn't tell you. So not my favorite mask, but I know a lot of people do like it. I have not had great experience with Kula, so I'm kind of like, eh. I am excited about the mascara and the perfume. Those are like two things that I am really excited to try. I do like the serum, so I'm excited about that. And then you have the body blur. So I feel like it's a fairly decent one. Is it my favorite? Definitely not. But it gets 3 out of 6 for me, even though the 3 that I like are the smallest ones. Then let's look at Allure, which I'm going to say right now is the winner because you got the cute little mirror, which I like. You get the scrub, which I know I like, so that's always a good thing. You got the full-size lip liner and the lipstick, which I think is in a great color, a very universal. Like, these are great colors for a box. And then you get the black eyeliner, which I will pass along, but I'm keeping everything else. So that's 4 out of, no. Yeah, 4 out of 5 that I am keeping, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, I think it was a great month for Allure. I really like that they did this with Kat Von D. I know she has like controversy right now, but really she always kind of has controversy like for different things. Yeah. Anyway, I am very excited about this box. Let me know what your thoughts are. Did you get either of these boxes, both of these boxes? I think they sold out of the box, so like other people were supposed to be getting something different. So let me know what you got that was different in your box than what I got if you got a different box. And I hope you guys are all having a fantastic week. If you have not subscribed already, please do subscribe. Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. And let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.